Okay, so this is day 10 of our broccoli, or day 7 of our broccoli microgreens growing under T5 LEDs, powered with solar energy. So these broccoli microgreens were 3 days in germination and 7 days under LED lights. So you can see these ones growing in organic soil are ready to harvest. They have their true leaf also coming out very soon. You can see in some of them, but yeah, you can also leave them for a few days. But they can get also quite stringy, and especially if you're heavily seeding like this tray is. So this is ready to harvest, as you can see. So if you're also growing your own microgreens, this would be the right stage. Next to it is the coconut tray that's not doing so well. Sparsely seeded as well, so this one can also be harvested. And the one in hemp looks to be actually growing the slowest. So this one, I would say, still wait for at least another 3 days, and of course bottom water. And this one is bottom watered already.